Hello friends. An important diagram from your control and coordination topic is the structure of a neuron. I hope you understand just how essential it is to label each part of the structure of a neuron. Well, you can do so by having a quick understanding of each part. So let's begin. First question. What are neurons? Neuron is the conducting cell that transmits impulses and is the structural unit of the nervous system. These are specialized cells that detect, receive, and transmit stimuli. Sensory neurons conduct impulses from sensory organs to the brain and the spinal cord. These informations are acquired by the dendritic tips of a nerve cell, which sets off a chemical reaction, creating an electrical impulse. Dendrites are short, branching fibers that transmit impulses towards the cell body. Cell body contains cytoplasm, organelles, nucleus, etc. Inside a neuron, impulse travels via electrical means from the dendrite to the cell body and then to the axon and axon terminals. The axon is a long fiber with branches that terminate in axon terminals, which contain neurotransmitters. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse sets off the release of chemicals, which enter the synapse or gap between the two neurons. From here, the chemicals are picked up by the dendrites of another neuron. Motor neurons of the spinal cord are part of the central nervous system, CNS, conducting impulses from the brain or spinal cord to effector organs like muscles or glands. This is how nervous impulses usually travel in the body. Neurons transmit nerve impulses away from the cell body to synapses or neuromuscular junctions. At the neuromuscular junction, for example, the chemicals, or more appropriately, the neurotransmitters, are passed off from the axon terminals of a neuron to the corresponding muscle or gland via the synapse. So friends, that's all about the diagram of neurons. Please remember that in the diagram of neuron, dendrites, nucleus in the cell body, axon and nerve endings are very important to label. Hope you got an understanding of how to remember and understand concept while keeping your hands fluent for making the diagram as well. Subscribe for more. Happy learning!